Hello, my buddy. Sit down, relax, maybe take a drink or a small snack. That's what I'm doing now. My name is Luna, and yes, I'm a cat. But living in Brooklyn as a cat is very fun. Streets with lights, smells, and new things every day. I really like it. My mom is from Brooklyn and my dad is from Peru. I am from Brooklyn too, so my home has a fun mix of cultures. I don't have brothers or sisters, but I have many friends and many cousins. Soon, I will show you them, and you can hear their stories and fun adventures. I love music. Lana Del Rey and Taylor Swift both are very good, but Lana is a little more special for me. I like good food, walking in the city, and finding new places. I also like reading books, traveling to new places, and doing fun sports. Life is more exciting with new adventures. Sometimes I watch silly TV shows. I call it research. Very serious research. Not because I like drama. Of course not. My biggest dream is to go to the moon, walk there, jump, and look at the Earth from space. I love stars, planets, and everything in space. I imagine floating with the planets, counting stars, and exploring the sky. Maybe one day I will do it. The moon is waiting for me. This channel is not like boring English teachers who only love grammar. Grammar is okay, but talking, listening, making mistakes, and laughing, that is the real learning. Here, you will learn English having fun, listening to stories, and enjoying adventures with me. And friends, cats, dogs, sometimes they follow me, sometimes I follow them. Life is much more fun with friends. I also like singing my favorite songs, dancing a little, and finding new things every day. You will laugh and enjoy every moment. So, welcome to English with Luna. Here we will have fun, learn English, and go on adventures together. Imagine new places, music, stories, and maybe, one day, even the moon. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment telling me what you think. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.